Imagine making YouTube videos without showing your face, without recording your voice, and an AI does everything for you automatically. Some creators are already making $100 per day with this method. Today, I'll show exactly how you can do the same, even if you're a beginner. This is the new way to make faceless, high-converting content without the usual stress of creating videos. The problem most beginners face. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, you probably felt stuck because you don't want to be on camera, you don't want to record your voice, editing takes forever, and you're not sure what kind of content will get views. Most beginners give up before uploading their first video, but there's a solution: AI avatar tools. Now you can create realistic talking videos step by step without showing your face. And the best part, beginners are earning money almost immediately using this strategy. Trending AI tool reveal. The tool I'm showing today is HeyGen AI, one of the fastest growing AI avatar video tools. With HeyGen, you can choose from realistic AI avatars, type your script and the AI speaks it naturally, customize voice style, speed, and language, produce videos in minutes. This tool is perfect for YouTube automation channels, TikTok faceless videos, online courses or educational content, selling video services to businesses. Even beginners are creating 10+ videos in a single day. Step 1. Create your account. First, go to heygen.com. Click Sign Up. Enter your email and password. You'll see the dashboard filled with AI avatars. Take a few minutes to explore the avatars. Some look like professional news anchors, while others look casual or educational. Tip: pick an avatar that matches the niche of your channel. For beginners, pick one neutral avatar that can work for multiple topics. This is your virtual presenter. They will talk for you in every video. Step 2. Writing your script. Before generating a video, write a script that your avatar will speak. Keep sentences short, 2 to 3 lines max. Use simple conversational English. Include keywords for YouTube SEO. Example script for beginners. Top 3 AI tools that can help you make money online. Number 1, ChatGPT. Use it to generate content. Number 2, Opus Clip. Convert videos into shorts. Number 3, 11 Labs. Create AI voiceovers instantly. Once your script is ready, paste it into the HeyGen video creator. Select your avatar, adjust voice tone, speed, and style. The AI will automatically turn your script into natural speech, making it feel like a real human is talking. Step 3. Generate the video. Now it's time to create your first video. Click Generate Video. Wait 1 to 3 minutes depending on your script length. You'll see the AI avatar delivering your script on screen. Tip: make small adjustments if the speech doesn't sound perfect. You can regenerate multiple versions until satisfied. The AI will handle mouth movements, natural pauses, lip syncing, and subtle facial expressions. This creates high-quality content ready for upload without any camera, microphone, or editing skills. Step 4. Editing and adding visuals. You can add extra visuals to make the video more engaging. Stock footage related to your topic, overlay text for key points, quick screen recording examples, and background music for energy. Example: if your video is about AI tools, show the tool interface, highlight key features with motion text, and add a quick step-by-step demonstration. This increases watch time and makes your content more clickable. Step 5. Upload to YouTube. Once your video is ready, download from HeyGen, upload to YouTube. Optimize for SEO. Title: include how to plus topic. Description: explain the video, repeat keywords naturally. Tags: include AI, faceless YouTube, AI tools, etc. You can post as a short or long video depending on content length. Tip: upload 3 to 5 videos per week for faster growth. Use YouTube chapters for longer tutorials to increase retention. Monetization strategy. Here's how you make money. Affiliate links. Include software links in your description. YouTube ads. Once your channel is eligible, monetize views. Service sales. Offer AI video creation services to clients. Example: promote HeyGen or other AI tools. Provide your unique guide on using AI for YouTube. Earn commissions when viewers sign up through your link. Even beginners can start earning within days if the video goes viral. Tips for success. To maximize results, stick to trending niches, AI tools, finance, faceless tutorials. Keep videos short and fast-paced. Use captions and overlay text for engagement. Experiment with different avatars. Repurpose videos for TikTok, Instagram, Shorts. Remember, the more content you create,